ang lapit na ng release ng album ni Olivia. Parang nagka-crush out na ako. I'm not ready. I've been to the trenches with Olivia simula nung Sour album. Then yung Guts. Iba kasi lalo yung feels if naka-attend ka mismo nung concert niya. Gusto mo talaga yung artist na yun and alam mo talaga yung mga songs niya.
This is such a dream come true. I can't tell you. Thank you.
So, ibang-iba yung feels. Yung mga kanta niya kasi iba iba tumagos Wala ka namang pinagdadaanan pero aray, I'm already yapping ngayon. Let's run down kung anong nangyayari the next few days. I have an important schedule ng morning. Then, in the afternoon, meron kaming Pilates. Then, by Friday, meron din kaming attenda na open house event. Then, on Saturday, I'm just gonna be prepping the whole day kasi meron tayong exciting event sa Sunday, which is yung Sunchella. It's a Sunday Social Club event. And second event na to. Ngayon palang excited na ako. We got our hair done. Finally. I'm here sa dining. Nilipat ko dito yung laptop. Because I'm still in my outside clothes. Minsan, nililipat ko talaga siya here para maiba naman yung ambience natin. Hindi pa tapos yung work ko. Hello, we're home na. So, yesterday, full pack yung schedule natin kasi nung morning meron akong appointment. Then, pagka-uwi ko, nag-sleep lang ako konti and kumain ng lunch. Then, pagkagising ko is work. Then, nag-pilates kami nung hapon. Nakaschedule din yon. So, can I just give my insights on what happened on our pilates class? Hindi ako pilates girly. Hindi din ako active masyado. Rarely lang ako maging active with my body. So, itong pilates na to, I was just invited. I've only tried pilates once nung January and hindi na yun naulit. But this class, it felt so different kasi parang I felt so connected with my body. I think it's a big factor if sobrang galing nung instructor mo, which is sobrang galing ng instructor ng studio na to. Hindi pa open yung studio, so mag-open pa lang siya this July. But we were personally invited to join her class. So the studio is based here in Lucena. And for those who are near, those who are interested, follow nyo lang yung socials ni Teach. Nalindali.
Girl. Yun na. Ito. Dapat siya. Aso ka ba o baboy? Big daw, big. Ay,
Nagwapo ka. Yun, nagwapo ka daw. Yun na.
Lemes.
Dirty. What the hell?
Ba?
Kasha ba? Tingnan mo. Hello.
Ayaw.
Maliw. Napakaangas.
Okay.
Bibi, bano talaga ako sa ganito. Tito.
Ng ano, sister? Ano pala yung feeling ng Land Cruise?
Eh, tayo. Sa paano. Tayo ng park. Ayan pala, dyan. Yan. Sa kaliwa mo. Oo, patras.
Kami ng camera. Okay. Ay, wait, tama. Okay, go, go, go. Hold mo lang.
Nag-board kasi kayo, mga skate lang kasi kami dati. Kasi kayo may batang may board. Magpahala ka ha? Ikaw na yung sampalin mo. Talagang to. Uy, magsayaw pa. May pagsayaw. Hindi talaga. Mandar ka ng dahan-dahan. Yabang mo. Ikot, ikot. Ikot. Lower, lower, lower. Uupo pa yan. Upo mo.
Hello guys, so it's another work day and I'm so stressed from work. It's already 11:30 p.m. I just took a bath, but now I am hungry and pa-surprise ng ating friend na si Kate. Ang laki ng box. Sobrang sweet ng friend kong si Kate. Ang laki ng box guys. Meron akong breakfast, lunch, dinner. Girl, ang dami. Oh my gosh. Sobrang dami. So, merong croissants, may pan chocolate. I'm eating the... Hindi ko lang kung egg tart. Basta this one. para sa vlog na to, but we went to the mall kaninang dinner time. Now, tapos na yung work ko. So, let me just show you what I bought sa Watsons kanina. So, paubos na kasi yung face wash ko and toothpaste din. So, I just bought toothpaste. The face wash I use kasi is Lux Organics. I think years na akong ito ang ginagamit ko, Lux Organics. This one, the Cica Rescue, and yung isa, na variant. Another one is from Senka, the Perfect Whip. So, itong face wash kasi na to, this one cleans yung pores mo talaga, like yung blackheads and whiteheads. Naaalis talaga nito without using any strips. Sabi kasi dun sa mga napapanood ko, strips are bad for your skin. And this is also a gentle cleanser lang. This one kasi is a little mild sometimes, but if I need a deep cleanse, gusto ko yung foamy na face wash. That's why inad ko din to. But yung isang variant kasi ng Lux Organic, maganda din yun kasi foamy din yun. But for now, we're using Senka. Then I just bought face mask. Wala lang. It's for days when I want to use a face mask lang. And that's it. The face wash pala comes with a free mud powder. So, meron palang mud powder ang Lux Organics. So, can't wait to try this one kasi every night ako nagamit ng mud powder but I use the Oxycure one. So, this is what I've been saying, guys. Itong whitening repair. So, ito kasi more on the foam cleanser siya than this one. So, ito yung luma. Paubos na siya.
Exhale, release your right hand to the floor and stretch your left arm by your ear. Then take it to the other side, stretch your right arm up.
Stock ng shock ko.
Bakit?
Ang dami beses ako sumayo.
Wala pa mabit yung mabit. Hindi pala. Ito. Tapos sinisipla ko lang.
Tagal.
Ito wala ka ng babat pero ganito lang babat price siya.
Si bro ay magda-dive